If you look at this card, you can see a glowing hand coming out of a cloud, holding a thick wooden wand. This hand represents a powerful opportunity or spark being offered to you. It is not something fully formed yet, but it holds strong potential. The wand has fresh green leaves growing on it. This shows that a brand new idea is beginning to grow and has life, energy, and creative potential. In the background, you can see a green field and a castle on a hill. This suggests that what starts small now has the potential to grow into something meaningful and stable over time if you take action. The sky is clear and bright. This indicates clarity, openness, and the right conditions to begin something new. The suit of wands is connected to the element of fire. It represents passion, creativity, inspiration, and the drive to take action. Overall, this card is about the birth of a new idea and the courage and motivation to take the first step and bring it to life. This is the Ace of Wands. If upright, yes, a strong green signal, new beginnings, and a surge of energy. If reversed, delay, low motivation, creative blocks, or needing to refocus before starting. Career business studies. If upright, this is a strong sign to start something new. It could be a job, a business idea, or a creative project. You may feel inspired, motivated, and ready to take action. In business, it can indicate a new opportunity, idea, or offer with growth potential. In studies, it shows discovering interest, passion, or excitement in a subject. If reversed, you may have a good idea, but lack the energy or clarity to act on it right now. There could be delays, distractions, or fear of starting. In work, avoid taking on too many things without direction. In studies, you may feel distracted or disconnected from what you're learning. Love relationship breakup. If upright, this card shows strong attraction, excitement, and a spark between people. You may meet someone new or feel a renewed sense of passion in an existing relationship. It can indicate a fresh start, fun energy, and emotional excitement. However, it is important to nurture this energy for it to grow into something stable. In a breakup, it shows regaining confidence and being open to new beginnings. If reversed, the spark may feel weak, inconsistent, or short lived. There may be lack of effort, boredom, or emotional distance. Attraction may fade quickly if not supported by deeper connection. In a breakup, it can show low energy or hesitation to move forward. Health. If upright, this indicates a boost in energy, motivation, and vitality. It is a good time to start a new fitness routine or healthy habit. If reversed, you may feel tired, low on energy, or mentally drained. It is important to rest, recover, and not push yourself beyond your limits. General guidance. If upright, go for it. This is the right time to start something new. Trust your instincts, take initiative, and act on your ideas. A strong opportunity is in front of you, but it requires action from your side. If reversed, pause and reflect before starting. Make sure your intentions are clear and your energy is focused. It is okay to wait, plan, and recharge. Do not rush into something without direction. So, the Ace of Wands is a spark. It is the beginning of something powerful, but not the final result. It asks you to follow your passion, take the opportunity when it appears, and use your energy wisely to build something meaningful. What you do next will decide how far this spark can grow.